Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, One Day One Tutorial. Today we're going to make another cool logo. And first of all, we pick a triangle. We are going to make a logo with splash of paint, so it will be cool here. So we choose the color of blue and then copy and make it smaller. Make it another color like blue. Light blue, and then you put on the grid or not and merge both triangles, and then you make a 3D and adjust the tab here and the emboss oblique angle, yeah, just like this, and copy and rotate. So we're going to make a square but not square using these two triangles. So square but not square. It's like a sliced square. The effect is just like that. So we put a text here. 1D1 tutorial. Your brain logo name. And make it bold. I would like to pick the color. And make it into lines. And set the line in the center and then line spacing. And then you make it the stroke. It should be white, bold white. Make it 11 maybe, or 16. And the size, you just adjust it bigger than the shape here. It should be bigger. You can make it bigger, even bigger. It's all based on your preference. Make it white, the gradient color. Alright, pick another color. Set whatever you want. It's all based on preference. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one looks good. Okay. And we merge them all. Merge into one shape. Why you merge it? Because we are going to put another stroke. So there are two strokes here. Stroke from the shape and the font. And stroke from the whole shapes, the whole things. And we put the effect here. I will put the splash of paint link in the description so you can download it. Don't hesitate to click the link. It's not off-road. Okay, like this, and we give color to the splash of paint. It should be the same color as the shape one. So let's make it blue, the same blue color. So here you go.